Hi, boys and girls. I want to show you how to use the link I posted for under science, the ReadWorks link. So this is something new. You will have to click to go into ReadWorks, and you're going to have to log in with your account, and you're going to have to just click allow. And then once you're in here, you're going to see seabirds and wading birds. So we are going to click on the first link that it allows you to open, and you're going to read the passage. It's called See, Feel, Grab, Stab. And this is all about the roseate spoonbills. And you're going to read this brief passage about the bird. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Book of Knowledge. Book of Knowledge is really cool. So what it's going to do is it's going to collect all of the things that you've learned. So let's just say something you found interesting was that it has a flared and flat bill. So you could say the bird has a flat bill. And that is, let's just say, the interesting thing that you learned. What you're going to do is you're then going to submit it and click submit. And then there you go. And so what's really cool about it is that every time you write about a new piece of interesting information, it keeps it all in your big book of knowledge. And what I can do is I can share that big book of knowledge with the whole class so we can share all the facts that we've learned together. And I'd like you to complete one of these each day. All right, guys, have a great day.